Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to show y'all a really simple and cute kid style on my daughter. Her hair has already been washed and conditioned and blow dried. So we're going to begin with a straight part down the middle. I'll be using Shine and Jam to define her parts. You will see me go over her parts time and time again because I'm very anal about my parts being straight. Very straight. So once you have that out the way, you'll begin the second part right at the tip of the ear. You will then come back to the middle of the section, which is usually right in the middle of the eyebrow, and you will make this part parallel to the first middle part we made. This will create a triangle. Sectioning her hair out of the way, I will now begin to apply Shine and Jam and just cornrow that area back. I'm clipping off that braid so it won't unravel on me while I prepare the next sections. Her hair will have 4 total sections, which will combine into 2. So you'll see as I go along. Make sure this section is fully detangled. It is hard trying to detangle as you go. As you get down to that previous cornrow, you will just join them together and brush as you go. Now, I have to get down on the ground because her hair is extremely thick and it's hard for me to grab it. And yes, I did just take it loose because, as I said before, I'm a perfectionist when it comes to how it looks. And I will do it over and over again until I need to fix it. So you're going to repeat the same exact steps on the opposite side. You will part at the base of the ear, then again at the middle of the eyebrow to create the triangle. Use your Shine and Jam to slick everything down and then cornrow that area. Repeat with the last section until you are finished. Because I have 3 girls, I have to find quick styles like these so it won't tire me out on wash day. I finish up the style adding a small amount of baby hairs, and there you go. This is the complete style. Thanks again for watching, everyone.